Can you explain constructor with real life analogy? Let's consider real life example of Nobita. Every day when Nobita wakes up, he will create a breakfast for himself. Then he cleans his house and does all his daily activities. Again next day when he wakes up, he will perform the same task. So making breakfast and cleaning house are repeated tasks for Nobita. So one day Nobita built a robot to perform this task. Now whenever he wakes up, robot will prepare breakfast for him and will clean his house. Constructor is similar to robot, which will perform some task when object of a class is created. In OOP, class is just a structure. So when we create an object of a class, we have to assign values to the variables of a class. For example, if we are creating object of a human class, then while creating object, we have to assign values to the variables like name, age and gender. We can manually assign these values whenever object of a class gets created, or we can create a constructor which will automatically does this task for us. So constructor is like a robot that Nobita created, which will automatically perform some activities like assigning values to the variable whenever object of a class gets created. Now let's create a class human which has three variables, that is name, age and gender. Constructor is a special type of function that doesn't have the return type and whose name is same as a class name. So we will create a function which will receive three parameters, that is actual name, actual age and actual gender. We will assign these values to our class variable. So whenever we create an object of a class, constructor will initialize these variables for us. Now let's create an object of a human class in a main method, and while creating we will pass the name, age and gender to the object. So now if you try to access the variable using object, then you can see the values that you assign to this object. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, then follow my channel for more such videos.